Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doom Eternal without a Bethesda account. Many players prefer a streamlined experience, avoiding additional logins. The good news is that, for PC users, especially those on Steam, playing Doom Eternal without a separate Bethesda account is entirely possible. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to get into the action quickly, ensuring you can focus on demon slaying rather than account management. When you buy Doom Eternal on Steam, your ownership is linked to your Steam profile. This means the game's authentication happens through Steam's robust system, bypassing the need for a separate Bethesda login to simply play the campaign. You'll download, install, and launch the game directly from your Steam library. This seamless process ensures you spend less time navigating menus and more time enjoying the fast-paced combat. To begin playing, simply open your Steam client and click Play on Doom Eternal in your library. The game will launch without prompting for a Bethesda account. For those who prefer, the entire single-player campaign is accessible even when Steam is in offline mode. This offers great flexibility, allowing you to enjoy the game anywhere anytime without an internet connection or additional account verification. Playing Doom Eternal directly through Steam offers several advantages. You'll experience a faster startup, as there's no need for additional account authentication. This method also provides a layer of privacy, keeping your gaming activity consolidated under one platform. Ultimately, it allows you to dive straight into the intense action and rich lore of Doom Eternal with minimal friction, maximizing your enjoyment of this critically acclaimed title.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.